Alright, guys. The market's about to open just in a bit right now. And I'm excited, bro. Obviously, I'm looking at the charts right now. Nothing looking too amazing right now. I'm being quite honest. Wow, actually, that had to stay the same. Um, but that's fine. Like I said,
HUT. AMZN. Goog. Googsal.
we'll see if anything picks up. Um, and yeah, pretty much we're just seeing if anything picks up. So if it does, great. If it doesn't, you know, we
AFRM.
have tomorrow to trade. The market's about to open.
RSLS.
You see how it's under this line. So right now it's bearish. Right now it's bearish. But we are hitting that line. That's support right from this line right here. But the market just opened right now, so we will see what the market wants to do. Very bearish. It looks like. I think this stock is gonna sink to the bottom. Ooh.
TZA. Uber. TMO. UAVS. EJH. EJH. Sun. BIVI. BIVI.
It's having a hard time pushing 25. That's
Res. 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 Res.
yeah.
Res. Res. Res.
Yeah, it seems like that's
ETAI.
that area. Yeah, it's gonna keep bouncing off that area. It looks like. What we could see maybe, cause it has to hold. Yeah, it's not. But you see, we have a resistance that has good movement, so
CGTX.
we probably can get like a quick sense up.
EJH, EJH, EJH. Son. BTAI. ASPA, 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 ASPA. BTAI.
I'm not gonna lie. Am I chasing? Bro, the thing is, guys, is look. This is on an uptrend, obviously. Would it break it? Probably, man. This has to get up here at 35. But it's going actually pretty slow compared. But yeah, I took this trade. Oh my god, so was this one? It stopped me out. $11, which is actually not that bad. Usually I'm going to take those. But it was $11, right? I bought it at $32.17. I bought it right here. Alright. Like right here, right? And then it went up all the way to 34. Yeah, dude, I went up $2. I got to make 20. But what's it called? Oh, I wasn't hold down. But bro, I literally moving so fucking fast that you can't even get out. And then I just end up hitting my stop loss. Either way, yeah, this just selling off. Cause I was like, all right, it's hitting this level. It's hitting like, you know what I'm saying? It's cover up and then it's gonna come back up, maybe higher or maybe come back. It's that level, which it was what, $31 probably. If I would have got a fill 31, and then I got to all the way to 30. I mean, personally, I saw that shit go to. I mean, $33, $2, dude. I would have made what, like 30 bands. Hold on. Oh damn.
Bid.
But other than that, man, we're gonna just. I mean, it's gonna be a pullback up, but we're not even close. This if it was close to that pullback and then up, then it would be like, okay. This is more of like a retest, testing the area, 4 cents. Like it's not even that much sense. So yeah. Other than that, bro, we're gonna just take the loss for the day. It's not even that big of a loss, to be honest. I'm glad that able to recognize this and and see it, man. I'm not gonna lie, it was almost $12. I wanna just lose 10, but it's whatever, man. It's whatever. Like I said, it got me out. Make sure I'm not any working trades. None of that. It looks like we're pretty good. Or double check. Yep. Alright. We're gonna just look over our trade and see what I did wrong. I'm not gonna lie, I hesitate very much. I could have got out because I was just thinking of getting quick and get out, but I took a while to do that. So yeah, I'm looking right here. Look, that kind of sucks. Look, like it dips down to $31.02, and I buy 11. Boom. I'm like, fuck, whatever. But I would have got there, and look, it goes up.
ASPA, 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 ASPA.
It's at $32, so close to $1 almost. But look, it goes to 34. Like I was ready to click the sub button, but I didn't, bro. I'm telling you. 34, like 34, it would have been $20 right there. And no, and I hesitated, and then it ended up, I couldn't get out, and then I ended up getting stop lock. Yeah, I ended up hitting it. I was gonna take it out, but I ended up hitting it either way. And then after that, it actually flushes pretty bad, but yeah, man, I tell you, you have to be fast on those. It's whatever though. We'll take the little hit. Not even little. Yeah, it's a little hit compared.
AI.
Well,
BTAI.
Alright. I probably should mute that, but fuck it, we're gonna leave it away. So $11.70 lost today. It's all good though. Where is it? Not even bad. Alright. Still good. Ooh. Alright, guys, but that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's crazy every time when I win this. But look, what I realized that what I do really good on is trades are moving on fast. So catching the level 2 and that really. So any stock that's moving up high with a lot of volatility or after a big move, literally is what I'm trading. Momentum trading. So basically, I kind of have a good idea of how to trade the stock. I have a good idea how to trade the stock and how to it go to my favorite, right? I think I just found my way of strategy. But the thing is, these are sometimes here then. I think this is the one that I found out that it can make me a little bit more profitable. Even right there, it was working, but I was just too pussy to cash out. That was just simply me. But this is the first time I did it. So basically, like, it didn't go higher. But what I was saying, like, okay, it's gonna fill that gap because that's what it does. It usually comes back down, fills that gap a little bit, and then comes back up, even to the previous, close to the new high. Either it can't pass it, and then you just get out. If it does, boom, you make more money, right? But yeah, man. Other than that, man, it was a great trading day. I know you're saying you lost money. Well, yes, but look at it this way, man. I was able to stick to my plan, and able to take a little loss that doesn't really affect me as much. So that's the goal. That's ultimately the goal, guys. Is taking little losses, but getting big gains, right? Getting big wins. But yeah, overall, so happy we got tomorrow. Saving it. I now I know what I'm looking forward. Obviously with a lot of volume, with a big push on the way. And yeah, man, I can really trade any kind of stock, honestly. You know what I'm saying? I know I like trading anything under the $10 mark. It's where, my sweet spot is. Mostly, I'm not gonna lie, my sweet spot is anything under $5. I personally like anything $5 I like. You saw that one was a little bit $20, but I was able to still play it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Other than that, guys, I'm getting off because honestly, there's nothing more for me to do, honestly, today. Just pretty much took a trade, and you know what I'm saying. I think I did a good job, but I got scared a little bit. Could have made 20. But sometimes I was hoping I was gonna get filled more, man. Like I saw, right when I dipped under, I bought, and then it was at 31, but then it went back up to like 2, so I was able to I got a little bit of that slippage because the stock is going crazy. That's why. But other than that, guys, like I said, I made it up. getting off. I was gonna take another trade, but I need to remember over trading is not the key. One to trade, find good setups once every day is the way. Other than that, man, I'm getting off. See you guys tomorrow. Hopefully there's another trading opportunity tomorrow. If not, then we'll wait on Friday. And if it's not Friday, then boom, we'll just wait until the 1st of November, which I'm super excited, guys. And I'll tell you, dude, actually today's a good day to tell you guys, I guess. On Friday. Alright, whatever, I'm gonna just tell you guys. I know, man, I keep lying, I keep saying I'm in the stream, but then I'm not right. But listen, this is what I'm trying to say, man. This is what I'm trying to do, I guess you can say. So basically, the new November's coming up. So what I'm gonna do, and you know what I'm saying, I might get straight punched in the face, get bullied, but I'm gonna up my size. I'm gonna put more capital in my trading. And I know you're saying, what, dude, you're barely starting off. Don't do it, you can lose a lot of money. And you guys are 100% right. I'm not disagreeing with you guys. I think you guys are absolutely right. But this is the thing. The thing is, okay, first of all, I'm getting my risk management down pretty well. That's a good thing, right? That being said, you know what I'm saying, I'm low-key finding a strategy. But this is the thing, guys. Yeah, man, there's more capital. I feel like just risk management, you'll be fine, bro. And I know you're saying, well, you say it sounds so easy. And it is, but it's not, right? I think it's both. It's more of your psychology. But now that I have a stop loss in place, it literally gets me out. If I do and going against me, that will release so much more stress for me. You know, because you saw before, guys, I didn't have a stop loss. I had a stop loss, but I had a manual stop loss. So I will have to get out. You know what I'm saying? And then my psychology fucks with me because I'm like, oh no, maybe give it more time. And then you're going more down. And I was like, fuck that. That's not good. Let's just have something and it already automated it so it can does it for me if it does going against me. And I just lose the amount that I was willing to lose. So that's why I'm like, okay, listen, I have the risk management down. I know where I want to get out. I know how much I want to lose. And I know how much I want to make. Right? As a sense of the risk reward. Right, I like 1 to 3. Those are my favorite. 1 to 3 is honestly 1 to 2 is fine. Obviously, those are more of like a base hit. That's fine with me. I'm fine with base hits. I'm fine with a good trade. I'm fine with amazing trade, obviously. But what I'm not fine with is going against my trading and passing my stop loss or moving my stop loss even further down. Not doing that. I need to keep my stop loss very strict, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, pretty much. Keep my stop loss very strict, and don't fucking overtrade. You know, let's be smart about it. Let's not do something stupid, and let's you know, let's be smart about it. Obviously, but other than that, like I said, man, in November, I'm upping my capital. Obviously, it's gonna be a little bit more of the fucking scary side, obviously, but I'm excited because I'm able to really see how my emotion react with a little bit bigger of a size, and I see if I'm there yet. If not, then I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm not there yet. Let's fucking calm down. Let's lower. We can always lower our size, you know. So yeah, we're gonna see, because I feel like psychology fucks with you. The more money, like I said, like when you put more money on the line, you're gonna. I feel like it is. I feel like you have to get used to of that bigger capital, because it is a different type of emotion. I'm telling you, as you guys see, man, when I first started with just $50 and I was making a few cents, I didn't give a fuck. Like, I was like, oh yeah, I'll lose a few cents, I'm not bad. But I was still considering my risk reward when I was still considering, oh, if I did have this much money, this how much I'll make. Oh, this how much I would have lost. But like, when you're actually like losing that amount of money with more capital, it's such a different feeling, and it's crazy. So that's what I'm trying to like upsize, because Listen, I understand. Yeah, it's a little bit more riskier. Obviously, you're gonna lose a little bit more money, but that's why my risk management has to be great in place. And if I do end up losing, say, quite a bit of money, and it will just teach me a more of a lesson. I'll be like, you know what? I messed up. I'm doing something completely wrong. I need to either fix my strat. Not, I say no. The strategy is working. I think it's more of my psychology, because I feel like that's one of the fucking hardest and most difficult. Because that's what I'm struggling right now. My psychology is absolutely like, fuck. Like you saw right now, I wanted to take another trade. I should not take another trade, man. I should take one and I say leave it, be it, come back to the next, come to the next day. And because I lost, I'm like, oh, do I lost? I need to recoup it back. That's what I was thinking. That's literally what was going through my head. I'm like, no, I need to fucking relax. I need to just take the loss and move on and wait for tomorrow if there's another opportunity tomorrow. And just, I don't know why, my brain just couldn't fucking grasp that for like the 5 minute. Luckily, I didn't take another trade, but I could have. And I feel like that's what it really is. I think I found a strategy that I very like and I very enjoyed. You know what I'm saying? Right? I always seem to be good. Like the momentum trading, I'm able to understand, you know what I'm saying? The retest. I like the retest, micro pullbacks. Those are literally one of my favorites. Or I see a breakout. You know, so those are three of my favorite like to see, right? But they all have to meet the certain values. It's a lot of green on the tape, a lot of orders stacking up, and a lot of orders are stacking up in the level 2 of the bid. And right, that, and then have to be the volume. Is the volume high? Is up? I noticed like once up to 1 million, it's fucking absolutely crazy. That's absolutely insane. You might see a fucking a whole. So all that, like I look at and I'm like, okay, I'm understanding what's going on. All right. But yeah, man, that's a lot of shit. But it's amazing, bro. I absolutely love trading, even though it gives me a lot of. It just fucks with my emotions a lot. No, but it does, man. It really does. But what I like about it really teach you who you are as a person, a lot, man. You know what I'm saying? Like it teaches you how impatient you are. It teaches you how undisciplined you are. It shows so much about you, you know. And all you can do is, you know what I'm saying, notice it and find ways to fix it. And if you see, man, like if you see my charts from how I traded from the beginning on my trading career from day 1 to now day 60, huge difference already, big difference already. So you know what I'm saying. So obviously I'm making progress, and there's gonna be more progress the next 60 days, the next 90 days, the next up to the year. You know, like I said, I do think. And I think I know pretty much the first year is just a learning experience. It's just to taste the market, pause. But it's literally just like a little like, okay, look, this is what the market's here for. Here's what we're gonna. The first year is just complete stepping your foot. That's it. You're stepping your foot in the water. So, you're diving in. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm just stepping your foot slowly, filling my whole body with water. Like, I'm taking that as a pool reference, right? Right? This is what it is, man. And yeah, man, like I said, in a year, bro, like I said, I think the year is just perfectly to show you, because it shows you the whole condition of that year, of like what's the difference with the summer, the spring, and the fall and all that, because I think that does change it. And then there's some things that are changing, like news, all that shit. Like, I'm telling you, I'm just yapping around, bro. I'm just yapping. But like I said, but back what I was saying from the beginning, what I wanted to talk about is I'm gonna upside my capital. My risk management is a lot more better, at least when it comes to loss. I still need my target points have to be a little bit more. I think that's the next I need to get better at, is getting out. Obviously, like it's a certain cents per share I want to get, but I need to like see how far does the market want to go, blah blah blah. But other than that, that's it, man. Like honestly, that's it, man. Like I said, all I wanted to say is I want to upsize next month. See how I do. I'm gonna upsize next month. See how I do and stuff. and we'll see the progress and see how my psychology changed with actually quite a bit of capital, man. I'm not gonna lie, quite a bit of capital. Yeah, man. Let's go. But yeah, man. Honestly, that's it. I'm excited. Can't wait. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for another trading day. See what happens, and if something happens, great. No, we have the next day of that. The next Friday. All right, guys. So now I'm for real dipping.